stop scrolling. If you're doing Amazon FBA without SmartScout, you're playing the game on hard mode. And your competitors? They're using data to beat you. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. You don't fail on Amazon because of bad luck. You fail because you pick the wrong products. And guessing doesn't work anymore. That's where SmartScout comes in. This tool shows you exactly what products are already making money, which brands are dominating niches, where the untapped opportunities are, and how to beat your competition. It's basically like having insider data that most sellers don't even know exists. Now, here's the part that makes this a no-brainer. If you click my link below, you get 25% off instantly. No code, no extra steps. Just click, and it's applied. But listen, if you're serious about actually making money, don't go for the cheap plan. Get the business plan, because that's where the real power is. That's where you get full market visibility, deep competitor tracking, unlimited product research, and faster decision-making. And in Amazon FBA, the faster you find winners, the faster you make money. Let me put it simply. One good product can change everything. So the question is, are you going to keep guessing? Or are you going to start using data like real sellers do? Click the link below, get your 25% discount, and start finding your first winning product today, before your competitors do.